So I'm calling this Greek. Is it Greek? I'm not sure. Mediterranean, maybe. But what we have here is an incredible lamb stew. I've got some nice leg of lamb there. We're stewing that away with some nice chunky vegetables. As you can see, carrots, zucchinis, olives, onions, potatoes, carrots. There's some French beans in there, plenty of garlic and some lovely herbs. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. Let's get on with this. It really is divine. So we're going to get started today by looking at our meat and a few other bits. So I've got some lovely leg of lamb I'm using for this, cut into nice chunks. There's a nice bit of fat on it, which I think is necessary. And there's some bone in there as well. 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped. And here I've got 2 teaspoons roughly of rosemary, oregano and thyme. Let's get to the cooker. Start this off with some olive oil, get it going. And then there's tons of vegetables that we're going to be adding to this. Okay, so you're going to need a nice large pot with a lid. I've got the heat on medium and I've got some oil in there. I'm using an olive oil. Let's drop in our lamb. And like I say, I've got some lovely leg of lamb. You can use a different cut if you want. You know, some bones in there, fat, beautiful. Next up, let's drop in our herbs and spices. So rosemary, thyme and oregano. If you don't have all 3, maybe just use one of them if you like, actually, it's fine. We're going to drop that 1 onion in, using red, and our garlic. Don't be shy with your garlic. Get plenty in there. I'm now also just going to hit this with some salt and some black pepper. And then on a medium heat, we're going to go for about 6 or 7 minutes. Let's get this on its way. And then just after this, I'll show you the vegetables and other ingredients that I'll be using. So while our meat, garlic and onions and the spices or herbs are getting together, let's take a look at the vegetables. So the essentials you're going to need are fresh tomatoes and a can of tomatoes. Everything else is totally optional. So I'm going to be using some potatoes. I've got some chilies there which I'm going to put in. Now those chilies are not massively hot, got a lovely flavour. Zucchini or courgette, and as you can see I've cut them and kept the stalk on them like that. You can chop it how you want. Carrots, nice and chunky. I've got some green beans and I've got some bell peppers. Think about celery, mushrooms, anything goes really. So essentials are these 2 guys, tin of tomatoes and fresh tomatoes, and then all the other veg up to you. Also I've got a little eggplant there or aubergine. I'm just going to cut that in chunky, but I'm not cutting it yet because it will go brown. It discolors quite quickly. Let's get back to the pot. Okay, fabulous stuff. We're getting this on the go. I'm going to drop in my carrots now because they're massive, you know. Get your big hard vegetables in first. Didn't show you this earlier, but wouldn't be really complete without some lovely olives. I've got some black Kalamata olives there. Stone is in. Right, what we're going to do, 3 more minutes, then I'm back. Okay, next up, I'm just going to drop in those fresh tomatoes. I've got 2 or 3 tomatoes there. Try and use a nice juicy one. And again, we're going to go for about another 4 minutes. We're just going to be building and building and building this, you know. So, yeah, I mean, this is going to be so, so delicious. Next up, I'm going to be adding my potatoes. I've got those potatoes. Peeled them, give them a little wash, and then I kept them in water because they would discolor. You know, I don't want them to go brown. Okay, another 3 minutes as we build this beautiful, epic, lovely, heartwarming. I'm going over the top now, aren't I? I'll be back in 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, next up I'm going to add that 1 can of tomatoes in there. Whole plum tomatoes, just going to sort of break them roughly with my spoon. And then we're going to be adding some stock. Now I've got here some chicken stock. It's fantastic. So in that all goes. So there's like 600 ml, 700 ml there, just over a pint. Right, now we've still got some vegetables to go in, but we're not going to pop them in yet. We need to get a lid on this now, medium heat, 30 minutes. give it a stir every now and then. Okay, let's jump in and take a look, shall we? Get some steam out of there for you. Looking absolutely wonderful. Right, I'm going to drop in that eggplant now, just a bit of eggplant. And again, I've cut it nice and chunky. And I'm now going to add my green beans. I'm also going to pop in those chilies whole like that. And like I say, they're not massively hot, but they do have a nice little flavour to them. Right, lid's going to go back on. We're going to stay on this heat for about 5 more minutes. And then we've still got our green peppers and our zucchini to go in there. Beautiful stuff. Okay, off comes the lid again. More steam out of there. Now if you wanted, you could drop a little bit of red wine in here, or white wine. And the herbs that I put in, rosemary, thyme and oregano, maybe you could add some bay leaf to that if you wanted. Like some bell peppers, I've got some green bell peppers there. And then I've got my zucchini or courgette, again, just, and these are quite little, you know, quite small ones, but like I said, I'm putting the stalk in just for effect. We're going to turn the heat down to a simmer now. And I would think 6 or 7 more minutes. And I think we're done. Okay, off goes the heat and off comes the lid. More steam out of there for you. And that's done. Check that out for salt. It's perfect for me. I've just tried it. That is beautiful. Now, if you wanted some chopped parsley, some chopped mint, some chopped coriander or cilantro in there would be nice. I'm going to top mine off with a little bit of the parsley. But yeah, that's a wonderful big pot of loveliness. Okay, that looks amazing, doesn't it? Little bit of parsley, flat leaf parsley on the top. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. That's a beauty. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots and lots of love.